Respected Chief Guest of this today's valedictory function, Honorable Minister Y.S. Chaudhary Garu, Guest of Honor, Mr. Mallareddy Garu, and other distinguished guests on the dais and off the dais. It is my great pleasure and honor to once again welcome all of you for this valedictory function of this Golden Jubilee Convention, CSI 2014. The historic city of Hyderabad has done once again one of the major event of the Computer Society of India, which is the annual convention. So we are really proud of the CSI Hyderabad, which had taken the initiative and gone through various stages of deliberations and at last made the convention a great success. So on behalf of the Computer Society, I would like to convey our sincere thanks to the organizing committee headed by Mr. J. Chaudhary, program committee headed by Dr. Govardhan, finance committee headed by Mr. Gautam Mahapatra, and other various teams which are untiringly working for months together in see that the convention takes place in a grand manner. I, on behalf of CSI and my Exicom and my family of CSI members, once again my sincere thanks. Let us all give us a big hand. So we all know how difficult it is to organize such an event of this nature, and this is not possible without the help of various organizations. First of all, it is our sincere thanks to the government of Telangana for supporting this initiative, and also the university, which has been magnanimous in terms of providing this magnificent convention hall and other facilities. They have literally thrown open all the facilities of the university. So we thank you, Registrar Sir. And yeah, that's right. I'm just coming to another major organization which has supported this convention is the Government of India's DRDO. Again, I think we call him as a CSI family member, Gautam Mahapatra. He happens to be the not just a finance committee chairman, but also happens to be the chairman of the Hyderabad chapter. So he is part of our family. So he has taken a lot of initiative, and we'd like to convey our thanks to Satish Reddy Garu, who is the director of RCI. And over and above, number of people, number of organizations have supported this organizing this mega convention. And over and above, we had 32 plus speakers representing industry at different technologies, and a lot of academicians who interacted, and a good conference proceeding was also brought out by the Springer with the effort of Dr. Govardhan. So once again, I take this opportunity in conveying our sincere appreciation, and thank you.